Yeah, my washing machine has been making weird sound with this indication on it. If you are experiencing this weird sound with this indication, let's try to fix that. You see, there is dirt in this. That's why it's making that weird noise. You see why it has been making this weird noise. It's preventing the machine from working properly, you see. So let's clean it up and see the result. So after cleaning everything, all the dirt and everything, let's try to fix it back and see the result. Okay. Let's see. Let's see if it works again. We put it on silk.